Welcome back to the channel, everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be kind of responding to some of the comments I got on my updating the gauge cluster on the new crew cab. I'll link that video above if you haven't seen it yet, but I had a couple people ask about the map light and how it's installed and how it's removed. So, got the dash here sitting on the Jeep that I'm tearing down. You guys will see that in another video. Got the dash here. Got the bezel in with the map light. So let me show you how this mounts. So in order to pull the bezel, you have to pull the map light off. Okay, there's the map light. Now we'll take the bezel out and I'll show you how that mounts in there. So the map light mounts onto this brace right here. Very common in these dashes though, the plastic tabs that this brace mounts to, and I'll pull this off so you can see it, are often broken off. So if you don't have anywhere to mount your map light, if you don't have this bracket here, that's probably the issue you have. So this is what the bracket looks like. It's got a slight bend in it to contour to the shape of the dash. And these are the two plastic tabs that it mounts to. So either the plastic tabs are completely broken off or the metal retainer clips where you actually screw the screws into are missing. Hopefully that's the case because you can just throw some new ones on there and then re-screw it in there. I hope that helps you guys out. Again, if you have other questions, I try to answer all your questions through the comments or through other videos. If you haven't yet, subscribe if you're new. We've got tons of good content. Like the video if you haven't yet, and we'll see you guys in the next video.